that thing there. You see it? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Chloe's little 2009 Corsa D. It's the 1.2. And we've got cranking issues. I had a phone call earlier, Dad, my car won't start. So we went through the, what does it sound like? And you know, the usual stuff. Eventually on a long crank, it started up. This has happened before, but not as long a crank. Sometimes just a sort of, it seems to spin very fast and then stumbles into life. So previously we diagnosed it as a crank sensor, crank position sensor, and I bought the part ages ago. We have it in a box here and we haven't had a chance to fit it because she's moved about an hour away. It's awkward. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to get underneath, have a look at it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm sure it's at the back of the engine, quite low. Yes, it is. I'm sure it is. And we'll have a look, see. And yes, you can fit a T5 and a Corsa in here, which is handy to know because the T5 is now touching the back wall, or its tow bar is touching the back wall with a piece of wood. But it's good to know that we can get another car in with the T5 because I still haven't finished the water pump on that, even though this will probably come out after I've finished the water pump, as long as it's okay. Touch wood. Anyway, enough waffling. We're going to get this up in the air, get it on axle stands. We'll just get it as high as we can so I can get that under, and we'll have a look see. I'm hoping we don't have to move the exhaust or anything like that. So anyway, I waffle on. We'll get up in the air and we'll have a look underneath. And here's the replacement crankshaft sensor. I hope it's the right one. If it's not the right one, you won't be seeing this video anyway, because there's no point me showing you me not fitting anything. And we've had it so long I can't take it back. So anyway, let's crack on. We're up on axle stands. I've got it nice and high so I can get my belly underneath there. Oh, and then right where we are looking is, that's the exhaust there, is the exhaust is hot, by the way. That thing there. You see it? It's quite covered in oil, which could be, is that better? You see it? Yeah, that thing there. It's quite oily and it's got a plug on the top. So can I get you up? I'm going to shove you up. I have no idea what you can see, but there, that's pointing at it, I think. And if that wasn't pointing at it, sorry, but you'll be in the blooper. Anyway, looks like it's some sort of external torque or spline, and got to try and get that plug off. But the exhaust is hot because she's just got here, so I'm going to let that cool down for a little bit. Alright, I'm really sorry, I'm struggling to find a place for you to see. So that's the best I can do. Try and get this plug off. It's all a bit awkward. Oh. My hands don't fit up here. Oh, there. Oh, there's plenty of oil in that. Ugh. That's going to need a spray out. Right, let's see if I can get a socket on there maybe. Looking tight. That'll go. I've got my... yeah, let's try that. Not exactly the easiest of access this.
There's the screw, and then let's pull it out, and hopefully it's not tight. It looked like it moved. Alright, I'm hoping this isn't going to drip, because that's going to drip right in my face. I'm going to move. There she goes. Right, let's see if it's the same.
And if you do like what we're doing here, please take a second to give us a thumbs up, please.
Well, it looked exactly the same to me, so let's get it back in there. Again, I do apologise you won't be able to see much of this, but oh, it's a bit firmer going in. Just that last little bit. Let's get the screw in. I might need to give it a tiny little tap in there. Oh, it's pulling in okay now. Let's nip that up. Click! That doesn't need to be very tight at all. There we go, that's in. Let's try and give that a little spray of contact cleaner. Not be very successful here, I don't think. Give it a bit of a spray anyway. Get rid of some of the oil. Spray all over my phone. Great. I lost my rag. Where's my rag gone? I'll wipe off if I can. Really can't get in there, but get the excess off, won't it? And then that's it. It clicked. That's quite a tight plug. I suppose it's got to be waterproof there, hasn't it? Right. I reckon that's it.
Right, let's see if it fires up. Fire and hold. Well, seems alright. Let's try it again. Let's hope that's it. Yeah, that's good. So just need to get her to take it on a test drive and hopefully that'll be it. Cool, sorry, hang on. You're all messy, I hope that's better. Anyway, yes, looks like could have been this. This is a Bosch one. I don't know if it's original, but I've given it a bit of a clean up, but I don't know if you can see in there. It's really quite oily, and it looked like there was oil actually dripping out of the connector, so I don't know if that's failed internally or not. And the new one, it wasn't it wasn't quite round around the barrel. It's not as good a quality as this, so I would say if you can get another Bosch one, maybe get that. I had to put emery some of it with a bit of emery cloth to get it to fit in, because there was like flashing lines on there. And yeah, it wasn't that good a quality, but I've had it ages, so let's hope it's okay. Anyway, I've waffled on enough. It was quite a quick little job. A bit awkward to get to, and you've got to have these little, well, I don't know what they're called. Is it external spline? I don't know, star drive. I can't remember. I've got some of them on the old rack there. And look, God, don't I need a tidy up? Yeah. Right, I'm going to leave you to it. Sorry, waffling on. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for coming on another little Corsa D journey. We haven't had one for a while. It's because she's living away. Anyway, yes, look us up on Instagram, Larcs_workshop. And I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. I dropped the GoPro and I've lost it. You're in the engine bay somewhere. Where are you? Oh, how the hell am I going to get you out? Here we go, here we go. Save you. Ah, don't drop, don't drop, don't drop. Oh, hey there. Oh, hello. Oh, go on.